Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you a simple and correct technique to round numbers with lots of digits. Take a look at these three columns. They all have the same original data without any rounding applied, and as you can see, they have many digits after the decimal point. Now, compare these two columns. At first glance, they look the same after rounding to 2 digits, but they are very different. Why? Because we use two different techniques to round them. This difference can lead to errors. Let me show you an example. Let's multiply this number by 1,000. Now, let's multiply the same value from the other column. See? The results are very different. That's why it's important to understand both techniques to avoid mistakes. Let me explain both methods step by step. The first method only hides the extra digits without altering the original value. Here's how you can do it. First, select the column or range of numbers you want to modify. Now, right-click and choose Format Cells from the menu. In the dialog box, go to the Number category. Set the decimal places to 2. Click OK, and now your numbers will appear rounded to 2 digits after the decimal point, but this method only hides the extra digits. The actual number remains unchanged in the background. That's why so many people made a mistake when rounding digits. If you use formulas or scripts later, Excel will use the original value, not the rounded one, because it is hidden, not really changed. Now, let's look at the second method, which permanently rounds numbers. This method simplifies calculations and ensures that only the rounded value is stored, rounding to 2 digits after the decimal point by using the round function. In a blank column, type this formula. C2 is the cell containing your original number, and 2 means you want 2 digits after the decimal point. Now, close bracket and press Enter and drag the formula down to apply it to all the rows. To make these rounded numbers permanent, select the entire column with the formula. Press Ctrl+C to copy it. Right-click and choose Paste Special greater than values to replace the original numbers. And that's it. You now have numbers permanently rounded to 2 digits. With these methods, you can handle any number formatting challenge in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing Excel tutorials. See you in the next video.